they get angry, John, are they?
Angry, John.
They get angry, John. They get angry. So hang on. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is.
We're going to fight over that, wouldn't we? Oh, you're a terrible lot.
Oh, go on, let's... Hey, John, chuck one from your bloody bag. One that Sally's picked. It's easy to tell if they're a boy or a girl. One's got teats and the other one's got teats. They're Gloucester black spot, they are, aren't they? John, what?
The other one's got a big ball spot exactly like his pop. Pop, pop, poppity, pop, 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 pop. 20 tiny fingers, 20 tiny toes.
Yeah, we've been distracted by the pigs.
What pig?
The pigs.
The pigs.
The pigs. Go on, John. Chuck another one in there. Just one. Oh, I've given away a couple of mine. Go on, John. Give him one. You don't need them all, John.
Well, you want to bet? What?
I'm bullying him. Have I got to get... All right, I'll get one of mine that Sally's picked for me, okay? Sally's ain't as good anyway. Here we go. Here you go. He liked that. Oh, God. That's what we've been doing. We've been feeding them rotten ones. We're having great fun over here. It probably is. No, the vicar's a woman.